Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today in your maths class we shall continue lesson 10, that is shapes. Okay, so you all know that we discussed about these shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. We talked about all these shapes. Okay, so today I am going to write the definitions of all these shapes and you have to write down in your maths copies. Okay, so everyone please write down in your maths copies. Alright, number one is sphere. You know what is sphere? Sphere is like a ball. Okay, it's like a globe. So number one, see sphere. Okay, sphere. So you see here, a sphere has an inner and outer surface. You write down, a sphere has an inner and outer surface. Okay, outer surface. A sphere has an inner and outer surface. I shall explain you. It has no sides or corners. It has no sides or corners. So you please see this one. What is the meaning of a sphere has an inner and outer surface? Let us take a ball. Because you know a ball is also a sphere, or a marble. Marble is also a sphere. So let us take the example of these things. You will see, if you take a ball, it has an inner surface. Inside it is also there, and there is an outer surface. Outer surface is also there. Okay, so that's why it is known as a sphere has an inner and outer surface. It has no sides or corners. It does not have any side like cube or cuboid. It has no corners also. Okay, so you just keep in mind any example you can give. Okay, example you can give ball, marbles, orange. All these are examples of spheres. Let us give only two examples. Okay, example you can say ball, ball and globe. You write down ball and globe. Okay, orange, marbles, watermelon. All these are also examples. Whichever you wish to write down, you can write down. Okay. Okay, let us come to number 2, that is cube. What is a cube? Number 2 is cube. What is a cube? Now you see here, a cube looks like a box. It has 6 faces. So you just write down, a cube has 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces. Okay, see front side, back side, top side, bottom side and 2 at the side. So it has 6 faces. Okay, alright, all of its faces are similar squares. This is very important. A cube has 6 faces. All of its faces are similar squares. All the 6 faces are equal. You have to keep in mind, all the 6 faces are equal. All of its faces are similar squares. That is the meaning. Okay, any example you give? Example you give dice. I taught you. What is a dice? You play Ludo with that. Dice and box. Any wooden box it can be. Now you see here, a box can be a cube also. It can be a cuboid also. You can write in example of box, in example of cube also you can write down box. Example of cuboid also you can write down box. The shape can be different. It is not necessary that the shape will be same. The shape may be different. Okay. So you see here, today we discussed only 2. So what are these 2? Let us discuss once again. Sphere. Sphere is a round. Its sphere means round. Okay, a sphere has an inner and outer surface. One inner surface is there and an outer surface is there. It has no sides or corners. Example, ball and globe. If you have a ball at home, you just see, take it in your hand. Now you know, you have learned about different shapes. So everything you can categorize into different things, into different shapes. Okay, suppose you have a clock, table clock, that may be a cube, in the shape of a cube. You have a spray, okay, or Volini spray. The shape of that Volini spray is, what is the shape of that Volini spray, you say me? That shape is cylindrical. Okay, so different shapes are there, so you can just categorize them by seeing them. Okay, so you see here, here the example we have given ball and globe, and orange is also, and also the example of sphere, marbles also. All these things are examples of sphere. Okay, now let us come to cube. A cube has 6 faces. All of its faces are similar squares. All are in equal shape. All the 6 faces. That means the 6 sides are equal. Okay, equal, similar. They are equal means equal squares. Okay, example, dice and box. Okay children, so please write down this too in your maths box. Thank you.